Japan. That's a sumo wrestler. This is Myanmar. This is Saudi Arabia. This is Africa. Zebra is found in Africa. Did you know that?
Welcome to Prayan's world.
What are you recording about today?
My world map.
Okay.
It has only countries, so many countries. But this is Legoland.
What is Legoland? This is Legoland. Wow.
Look at the name.
Yes, it's called the Lego Land. Wow, it's in Europe.
Yes. This is a half of Europe.
Yes, this is the Europe.
Why is this a half of a Europe?
Because Europe is big, but when we see in the world map, it is so tiny. So they have to magnify it with a magnifying glass and then show it.
Please subscribe and hit the bell button. And Missouri is behind this dot.
Okay, Missouri is behind this dot.
Yes.
And what is this red dot?
Which?
Is it New Delhi?
What's
Is it Delhi?
this new dot?
This is Delhi.
What's this?
What are these? This is Taiwan.
And what's this?
This is Taipei building. Japan. That's a sumo wrestler. This is Myanmar. This is Saudi Arabia. This is Africa. Zebra is found in Africa. Did you know that? What's this? Australia. What are these? Which animal is this?
Kangaroo.
So kangaroos are found in
Australia.
Yeah.
I've never been to Australia before. I want to go to Australia.
How can we go? What do we need to go to Australia?
Boat.
Boat? Okay. And what else can we do? We can take a flight?
Yes.
An aeroplane flight?
Yes.
What do we need to take an aeroplane flight?
A passport. 2 passports.
One passport. Okay. Yeah, that's... And what else do we need? We need some visa.
Visa.
Yes, what is a visa?
A visa? What, Mummy? What's a visa?
Visa is permission to which Australia gives us that you can visit us. So we need permission to go to Australia.
Yes. And what?
So we have the stamp on the passport so that we know that we have the permission to go to Australia. Do we have the permission to go to Australia right now?
Yes.
Do we have the stamp on it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so we can go and fly to Australia.
Mommy, what's this?
This is Australia, Antarctica.
What is this?
This is the map of the world.
But this is a map of the world.
It's the same, just little less colorful.
Please subscribe and hit the bell button.
See? And this is map of South America and this is map of Africa. This is the map of the world.
And what's this?
Here you can write your name and your passport number and you can stick a photograph.
And what's this?
This is called a passport.
And what's this logo on it?
The logo is of the nation where we live. So this is Republic of Kokomoko Kids.
I love my old dance.
This is Kokomoko Kids.
See you. Please subscribe and hit the bell button